Good morning, guys. Going out here to this rain. It is snowing, raining out here. I don't know what is going on, but try not to get my phone too wet. Let's see. I think I have an umbrella in my car. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Almost got attacked by the rain. Whew. Antoine is pretty cold. I don't know what this is. Whew. Oh, it is cold, guys, so y'all bear with me a little bit. It's 9:44. Let's see if I can zip my behind into Walgreens, run and get me, I hope they got like them little umbrella racks, because I'm gonna grab me an umbrella right quick. I need me a nice little small one, and I'm not gonna let nobody touch my shit. This camera is lovely, but it's not mounted right. Okay, so I figured I would do my makeup a little bit today, and I got a little bit of lippy on, focus on the eyebrows, not too much, but it's Tuesday and it's cold, and like I said, it's doing some type of, I don't know, cold rain is what I knew it was going to do today. That's all it's really doing, is cold rain. And that's the type of rain I don't like. I don't like cold rain. I've never actually liked cold. I'm not a cold person at all. Oh my gosh, no, I'm not. I've never been a stickler for the cold weather. So, I don't know. Today's gonna be a bummy day for me. But I got my scarf on, so. Okay, so let me try and hurry up because it's 9:45. This time be going by so fast. And I think if I kind of hurry up and get to Walgreens, I can run in the store, grab me an umbrella, and not get as wet. I know, Antoine, you're still cold. I'm sorry, but I'm just trying to move as quickly as possible. Oh, whew, it's cold. So, oh my goodness. So Rodney decided he wanted to stay home today from school, and I was like, oh, okay, you can, because he has to work on a project for school, for his Spanish class. He told me he wants to make Spanish rice. I said, okay, that's fine. Yellow rice. I'm getting veterans. I don't know what kind of Spanish rice he thought we was doing. At first he told me he wanted to do arroz con pollo, and I said, boy, don't you know that is chicken and rice. It requires a lot of ingredients, and I'm not doing all that. So he's getting some yellow rice to take to school, and I'm gonna put some cute little parsley on top of it. So on my lunch break, I guess I will stop, or either on the way home, I'll probably stop at I'll probably stop at Food Lion, and I will get him some yellow rice, because I'm not making no arroz con pollo for him for Spanish class. Talking about he wants to get an A. I said, you'll get an A with that yellow rice with your parsley on the top, because I ain't doing all that creativity, not today. So yeah, let me hurry up and get to Walgreens so that I can get this umbrella, because I'm just so mad that I don't have a nice little compact umbrella, and it should be sitting in my vehicle. I had one at first, and my mom took it, and then I had Imani had bought a purple one, and then I don't know what happened. So I'm gonna get one. I just hope I'm not late for work. if this love fox that's in front of me moves her vehicle, then maybe we will be all right. Go figure. Yeah, it's really cold out here today. Oh, so my daughter tried to make a little comment about how I like to go from room to room. When we first moved out here to Virginia, let me tell you, we lived in a 2-bedroom apartment. My mom had one room, and me and the kids had another room. So it was like me and 3 children in 1 bedroom, and I had bunk beds. And it was crazy because my little one, Lorenzo, he was sleeping in the bed with me. I still don't have no man. I didn't have no man at the time. So he was sleeping in the bed with me. And then the 2 little ones, Imani and Rodney, they were sleeping in the bunk beds. So we were very, 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 very compact when it came down to our first apartment when we first moved out here. And so he gonna sit here and say, she gonna sit there and say, Mom, it's crazy how you go to every room when you wake up in the morning. I was like, because nobody sleeps when I'm getting up going to work. I'm gonna pause this, run into Walgreens, get the umbrella. As a matter of fact, I might just take y'all with me. Hold on. Let's get out and get an umbrella. Outside? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I need to hurry up and get me an umbrella so I'm not late for work. She said aisle 5. There's nothing but candy down here. Oh, in the far back. Okay. Alright, thank you. Let's look and see. All the way down, maybe? Oh, back here. I see it. Thank you. I'm coming. I'm trying to hurry up and get to work. Yes, the one that I'm looking for. Oh, and I got a purple one. Yes. Okay. Purple's my favorite color, guys. So this little thing is like $14 for a damn umbrella. That is ridiculous. But okay, go figure. Alright, so let me go pay for this. Should I get me a snack or something? There I go. Let's see. I think I want something to snack on. I knew I shouldn't have came in this store because I can never just get one thing. I'm getting in trouble at work because I'm always getting snacks. I want some peanuts or something though. If I grab me something healthy, then I may be okay. You know what? I don't need none of this. I really don't. Let's see. I don't really need any of this. I'm about to be late for work trying to look for some damn chips. Go figure. I want some hot fries. I'll make it big. Oh, they got these poppables. I wonder how those taste, but I don't know. Anyway, let me get out this store. Everyone knows I'm gonna be late. They don't have any cashews that I really want. Ow! You know what? I'm gonna get that small bag. Even though they're smaller, but I want this small bag. I'll get those. How I I'm cleaning up Obama's mess. Don't want to see that on the tabloids. I'll pass. Here you go. Thank you.
Did you have your rewards card?
I do. Get my card out.
You can take your card out. And your cord is hanging out.
Oh. Trying to hurry up and get to work. Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good day. Okay. Hurry up and get to work. I don't know what time it is, but something tells me I'm going to be late because that's how I do. Now I can go to work. It is 9:54. Oh my God. I got to hurry up and not kill these people in the process of trying to get to work. Oh my God. Okay. Hope ain't no cars in my way. All right. So let me hurry up and get to work. And now, if I can get to work in 5 to 10 minutes, I'm good. That dude was cute too. He was checking me out. And you know it. Anyways, I know he was like, she in here vlogging. Shit. You trying to follow me? The Ace Man. No! My camera don't want to act right. Anyway, guys, so okay, I got my umbrella. I got me a little snack. So doing pretty good with time. It is 9:55. I can get to work in 2.5 seconds. I should be good. Okay. Come on, lights. Yes, lights work in my favor. That is what I need. I just need the lights to work in my favor. Oh, why is my camera acting like a nuisance today? Yeah, so anyway, Imani got it messed up because she's talking about some, yeah, you go in everybody's room to wake everybody. No, my camera needs to act right. Okay, I'm not trying to hold this. Okay. She was like, you go in everybody's room. I was like, okay, but when we first moved here, I was only in one room screaming at all of y'all. So I was like, what are you tripping off of? Be glad that I'm able to go in room to room. And then when we do move up again, like the Jeffersons, I'm going to be able to go in everybody's room. Because Lorenzo will then have his own room. You will have your own room. Or maybe you'll have your own place and I'll just barge up in there. Okay? I don't knock. What? Unless you got a husband. Or unless you got your own place, or unless you getting up for work, getting ready for a job like I am. Ain't no sleeping in my house, baby. Get your tail up. No, she got life twisted. As usual, my 19-year-old got the game messed up. She is vlogging, by the way, though. I hope she does her intro video. I told her, I said, Imani, you gotta do an intro video because don't nobody know who you are. You just coming on there now all of a sudden doing vlogs. Hello, do an intro video. So I hope she does that today. But anyway. So yeah, guys, I hope I don't get pulled over by the police trying to hurry up and get... Where is this car scooting off to? Like, hello? So this, I don't know if it's going to snow today. I don't know what it's going to do, but I am very nervous because I don't know what the weather's going to do. I really don't know. I'm kind of concerned about that. I'm very concerned, to be honest, because I'm not looking forward to a whole lot of snow. Because Lord knows, if it snows, I'm going to be highly upset. I don't like the snow. I don't like the cold. I don't like none of it. Now what? For all of you that are out here in VA, be safe, drive safe. Ice is falling on the trees. I hope it don't crack my window. I know Antoine is like, Mommy, why you got me out here? I mean, this job is just ridiculous. They expect you, oh, get here 10 minutes early. Get here. Get out of here with all of that. Like, I should not have to go through all of this just to find a fucking parking space. I really shouldn't. And then I should not have to park way all the way up here just to find some place to park. Like, this is ridiculous. Okay. Anyway. All right, guys. So I love you. It's 10:01. I got to run up in here to work. Love you all.